a lesson that you might give that's a grace and courtesy lesson that might not be listed in the curriculum, but it's a tangent from it, a way you could use it in your Montessori home, is you could say, hey, like, we're really having a whole lot of problems in the car. Like, that's where a lot of the fighting is happening. And so what kind of grace and courtesy lessons can I teach about being in the car that would be helpful for them to avoid conflict? And so one of those things might be just a lesson about where your personal space is in the car, and where you keep your things, and where things belong, and how your body, like, so in a Montessori way, we could role play this by pretending to get into your car seat and, keeping your feet on your side, right? And I know that sounds kind of silly, but it's actually, could be a Montessori lesson. It's a very, very legitimate Montessori lesson.
Totally.
Another could be like, I know in a classroom you often, or at least we often heard the words like, keep your hands to yourself, or like, don't touch your neighbor. Okay, but obviously just telling kids, like, don't touch your neighbor isn't going to stop them from touching them.
Yeah, right.
But in a Montessori situation, you might give a lesson on where to put your hands, because sometimes children just, like, don't know. And so we might give a lesson about, like, you could put your hands in your lap like this, or you could put them in your pockets, or you could put them behind your back, or you could, just hang them in front of you. But, like, teaching them a proactive, positive way to handle their own personal space and their body can be really powerful.